Learn fast. Listen better. Subscribe for simple English. Starbucks is a famous name for coffee lovers around the world. It started as a small shop in Seattle. Today, it has over 40,000 stores and is a symbol of global coffee culture. The beginning in Seattle. In 1971, three friends, Jerry Baldwin, Zev Siegel, and Gordon Boker, opened the first Starbucks store at Pike Place Market in Seattle. At first, they didn't sell drinks. They only sold high-quality coffee beans and coffee-making tools. The name Starbucks comes from a character in the book Moby Dick. The logo shows a two-tailed mermaid. Over time, the logo changed, but the mermaid stayed. Big change with Howard Schultz. In 1982, Howard Schultz joined Starbucks as the marketing manager. During a trip to Italy, he fell in love with Italian coffee culture. He suggested selling drinks at Starbucks, but the founders said no. So, in 1987, Schultz bought the company and turned it into a modern coffee shop. Fast growth and global expansion. In 1992, Starbucks became a public company. It had only 165 stores at that time. In 1996, Starbucks opened its first store outside the U.S. in Tokyo, Japan. After that, the company kept growing and opened stores in many countries. Number of Starbucks stores in 2024. USA, 16,346. China, 6,804. South Korea, 1,870. Japan, 1,733. Canada, 1,376. Total, over 40,199 stores in 87 countries. New drinks and customer experience. Starbucks is famous for drinks like the Pumpkin Spice Latte, first made in 2003. It became so popular that it even has its own Twitter account. They say you can make over 87,000 different drink combinations using Starbucks ingredients. Fun and unknown facts about Starbucks. Hot beverage, no drinks at first. In the beginning, Starbucks only sold coffee beans and equipment, no drinks. Ready-to-drink coffee came later after Schultz joined. Cow, biggest milk buyer in the U.S. Starbucks uses more milk than any other company in the U.S., even more than some dairy brands. Dog-faced dog drink, Puppuccino. A free cup of whipped cream for dogs, available in many stores. Muted speaker special rules for smell, sound, and color. Starbucks does not allow strong-smelling foods like onions or sausage. Coffee smell must be strongest. Even the music is carefully chosen. Airplane first coffee shop in the sky. In 1996, Starbucks started serving drinks on United Airlines flights. Japanese castle stores in ancient temples. In China, some Starbucks shops are inside 600-year-old temples, with designs that match traditional architecture. Man detective stores with no logo. In some cities like Seattle, a few Starbucks stores don't show the logo. These stores try to blend in with the local style. Artist palette, the logo, mystery. The designer of the original Starbucks logo is still unknown. Some say this mystery makes the brand more interesting. Social and environmental responsibility. Starbucks works hard to protect the environment. It stopped using plastic straws, uses recycled lids, and offers reusable cups. It also supports workplace diversity and equal opportunities for all employees. Conclusion: Starbucks is a great example of a global brand. It mixes quality, innovation, respect for cultures, and social responsibility. Its story is inspiring for business people and shows the power of change and growth in the modern world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.